Hey guys, Hunter Knight here. Just thought I will give you a little bit of an insight on the process, how I make the custom action figures, how I design them. So let's do the Horde Trooper. First off, references. We have to start with references. There's a lot of references here, and of course you begin with the OG. This is the Filmation Horde Trooper. You can see all the dimensions, the proportions, and everything. You have to always begin with the original. Then you go and I made a selection of all these different designs. Some of them made by the great Emiliano Sandalucia or Sandalucia. But you see, this is such beautiful artwork. And then you decide what influences you put on the new one that you're gonna design. But you always have to respect the OG, and the OG is the Filmation one. And then you choose what parts you want to incorporate. Now this is a 2000X design. I like, for example, the little horde things here. This is a chibi one. I like the chibi proportions on this thing. I like the sash, the gauntlets. And you have to decide when too much is too much. And then you just once you choose the things that you wanna do, and then you go and design your own. Now for this new project, I chose the McFarlane Toys Space Marine. It already comes in gray, so there's not going to be that much prep work. And here it is. I started already. I obviously took off the symbol here. It's all done with epoxy, AFS epoxy. This is what I use for sculpting, of course. Yeah, and see, this is the basics. These are the basics of a Horde Trooper, and this is his a cast. It's a pressure cast that I did of the original ones, and that's he has the right proportions. I think I took off the shoulders, but I think I'm gonna keep them. But this is the original Horde Trooper from Classics. You can see what elements of the design you want to incorporate in this new one, so it's still a Horde Trooper. For example, it has to have a Horde symbol. Obviously I'm gonna probably choose a different one because the real estate there is a bit small. The crotch is a design element unique to the Horde Trooper. The hand, of course, the thing in the hand has to go there. You can either sculpt it or pressure cast it, doesn't matter. And this huge feet, of course, the original doesn't have any Horde symbols in there, but this one has very nice real estate there, and there are designs, especially for 2000X, that have little Horde symbols in there, so that will be a good thing. Now the back, he has a backpack. The Marine comes with a backpack. They don't use backpacks unless they're from a specialized design or faction. They don't need pockets. Horde Troopers don't need pockets, so I don't know. This skirts, I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. Probably they're gonna go. And there's an old one that I did a while ago. I milked the hell out of this mold. This is one that I did probably 6 years ago that I keep in the archives. Yeah, this is something that I keep in order to not do what I already did. In this case, this is a cast of leeches, I believe. Symbol. The head is a bit rudimentary by those standards that I had back in those days. But it was a fun project. This one's actually, I made this one for me. This is what I did before, and this is what I won't do again on this one. So it has to be a brand new design, and thankfully it has great proportions. So I already started sculpting the major design element, which are the little thing there, and yeah, basically, and you will see how it ends.
Hunter Knight Customs. Impressive.